Nice parking skills. Alright, one of the worst things for me has always been reverse. Don't you ever let anyone tell you that it's an easy thing. Also, that guy just really wanted his parking space. Ah yes, Brian Von VA here, back at it again with more unexpected moments. Wild dog on the loose. Aw, it's just a little baby. That poor kid. I mean, come on, man. It's just a little baby puppy. It's never gonna hurt a soul. Ah, you can't trust anyone.
Hey, Donald. Hey, Donald. Over here. Can you see it here? Can you try to see it? Hey, I'm over
Oh god, that's cute little role play right there. I love it. She's a professional.
这个，哎，我让着你，好吧？虽然我这个大，但是我有信心赢过你。
你说我吃特别快。
好了，预备啊，准备啊，来，准备好，准备好，准备好啊！来，啊，观众给他们加油啊，看谁吃得快，好不好？3、2、1，开始！
赵阳，你看一下你左边，赵阳，你看一下你左边，好像什么都没发生过一样。
Okay, look, that's gold. He just looked at her like, what? How did you do that? Hold my hand, please.
Excuse me, this is like extremely heavy. Can you just hold it real quick?
What, this?
Should we like...
What?
Oh, he was probably thinking, oh, wow, that's kind of cute. Am I on camera? Like, is this a prank? Like, my heart. $100 steak at a fancy restaurant. I don't know. $100 is a lot for a steak. What do we got?
Yeah, you gonna? I'm gonna put it over here. Yes. The steak, the best steak in the world. Thank you. This is the good steak? Yes. Wait. Where's the rest? You see this? Where's the rest of it? That's crazy. $100 steak? That's crazy. Bon appetit. Is it good, bro?
Is it good, bro? No, it's raw beef that was literally not cooked, poorly prepared, chopped up and mushy, and it's got a sprinkle of some green crap on it. No, it was not good. Is it time to remodel? Aw, he saved a bunch of trash pandas. That's so cute! What does he want? Ah, he just wants to inspect the handiwork and make sure you're doing a good job. Okay, I had to re-watch that. Leave it to a hillbilly to know how to do it right. License and registration, man. Listen, that dog, he had nothing else to do. There were no cars, no bones. All there was your broken bones. Someone signaled one too many times. How many people did they have in that van, dude? There's lowered, and then there's this. It's literally like one of those Sparker little scooters you can have, except this one's gonna cost you a lot more money. Romanian falls asleep while driving. I mean, it's peaceful, the horse is going. You know what? Enjoy your nap time, my guy. I can't understand the story here. There's like a whole drama going on here. We have 2 dogs, 1 cat, 1 bird. The bird likes the little white dog, doesn't like the big dog, really doesn't like the cat. The cat just wants some food, but is giving the bird leeway, saying like, look, you peck my tail again, I'm gonna peck your face with these murder claws.
Who's out here having dinner? Who could it be? Whose toes are those? Who's that great ape right there? Sugriva. Is it dinner time? Is it dinner time? Oh, I think it is. I think it is. Oh, yeah.
Not gonna lie, didn't expect that, and that scared the crap out of me. Plus, in real life, I'd probably pee myself a little seeing that. Yes! It's about perspective.
There's something you're doing over the last 48 hours to keep yourself away from just being consumed with this? Are you watching different movies?
Honestly, I met 3 girls under the age of 21 with terminal cancer. And I thought I was helping them by talking to them, and they were helping me. And so having an understanding about what life is really all about, and watching a girl dying and smiling and enjoying her life, that's what it's really all about, and having that faith. You know, the other thing is you always hear people give glory to God and say thank you when they're holding a trophy. But you never really hear it in times like this. And so for me, it's an opportunity to just sit right where I'm at and just be faithful. That's what it's about.
You know, this guy phrased everything in a very weird way, but hey, you shouldn't let sadness envelop your life. And that's the true message here. Your new friend from your backyard. What a great introduction. Yeah, that's right, and I threw it on the ground. Work on your layup game, kid. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified whenever we post a brand new video. Thank you for watching.